Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hey, welcome to the video. Here we have an acid-base titration, and this is a titration between magnesium hydroxide, which is the acid, and this is the analyte, and this is being titrated against HCl. So we would have HCl and magnesium hydroxide 1 mole and 2 moles of HCl combined to produce magnesium chloride, which is a precipitate plus water. And over here the end point of this reaction is the formation of precipitate, and the precipitate formed is magnesium chloride precipitate. And if we move on to the procedure, here initially in a clean Erlenmeyer or the conical flask, which is of 250 ml, 20 ml of the unknown analyte, that is magnesium hydroxide, is pipetted out using the graduated bulbed pipette, and to this unknown the magnetic bar and magnetic stirrer are added. Now, in order to fill the burette solution, that is HCl, we using the funnel fill the clean burette. That is, the burette should be rinsed with the known HCl solution first, and then using the funnel, which is also rinsed with the HCl solution, the burette is filled with the known saturated HCl solution. Now the filled burette is clamped to the burette clamp, and the conical flask or the Erlenmeyer flask is placed on the retort stand. Now as the setup is completed, to the unknown magnesium hydroxide solution, HCl is added drop wise until the formation of precipitate, where initially when the HCl is added, we would have magnesium hydroxide to neutralize. That is, with HCl it would give Mg2 plus 2Cl minus plus H2O, while after this neutralization is completed, the magnesium chloride, that is the magnesium from the magnesium chloride, on reacting with H plus and Cl minus would produce MgCl2, that is the precipitate. So this is the end point of the acid base titration, and from this, that is from the, as we know, the V1, which is equal to the volume of, let us take a number of or volume of magnesium hydroxide, V2 be the volume of HCl, C2 be the concentration of the HCl taken. Then from the formula where V1C1 is equal to V2C2, in which C1 is equal to the concentration of magnesium hydroxide, the concentration of the unknown magnesium hydroxide, the analyte can be found. Hope the video was useful. Thank you.